I published my first video on October 6th, 2013. I honestly can't even tell you why I uploaded that first video now all these years later. I think I was inspired by other people who were sharing the art of crochet on YouTube. I mean, if it wasn't for them, honestly, I probably wouldn't have learned. But in 2017, 4 years after I published my first crochet YouTube video, the urge to try something new just took over me. For me, learning to knit was a really, really bumpy road, and I wanted nothing more than to share my experience with somebody else who might find themselves in a similar situation. At the time, it made sense to publish these knitting videos that I wanted to make on the same channel, even though I had been publishing crochet videos for several years before that. I honestly wanted nothing more than to just inspire crocheters to give knitting a try. But over the years, things change, right? YouTube has changed a lot. For the past 5 years, this channel has been dedicated to crocheters as well as knitters to inspire them to make something that makes them happy. And my mission will never change because I truly believe that yarn can be more and can do more for us than just make something pretty. We have somewhat of a superpower with our hooks and needles and yarn. We can make something from nothing. We can create an escape for ourselves when we need it most, and we can create something that somebody will cherish. But I realize that as you're watching this, you may not want to knit at all. In fact, I did a poll to see how many of the people who watch this channel crochet and knit, and the results weren't surprising. Are you kidding me? There's no way I would stop knitting. I love it too much. But I do realize that for the health and the growth of this channel, it makes the most sense to keep them on 2 separate channels. So we're going back to our crochet roots here on this channel, and we're branching the knitting stuff onto a brand new second YouTube channel. And it only makes sense to call it BHooked Knitting, right? So if you're subscribed to this channel specifically for the knitting stuff, or if you just enjoy watching the knitting content that I put out here on YouTube, please do go subscribe to the brand new BHooked Knitting YouTube channel. I'll have a link in the description so you can just click that and subscribe very easily. I'm already going through the process of transferring some of the knitting videos from this channel to that one. So if you get over there and you see some things that are already kind of familiar to you, that's what's going on there. So if learning how to knit has been on your bucket list this year, or if you're even mildly curious about knitting, then please subscribe to the BHooked Knitting YouTube channel. Again, the link is in the description. I would love to be the person to help you with that goal. This decision was both really easy and yet incredibly difficult to make because the hill that a brand new YouTube channel has to climb in the beginning is very steep, starting from nothing again. It's something that I haven't done for almost a decade. But I do believe it is the right decision in the long run, and I hope you'll join me over there too. So please, if you haven't already, look down in the description, find the link to subscribe to the new BHooked Knitting YouTube channel so you can get your knitting fix over there and you can get your crochet fix over here. Happy hooking, and I'll see you in the next one.